Hello and welcome to today's writing lesson from the IELTS coach. In today's lesson, we're going to look at writing task 2, and we're going to be looking at and writing out an opinion essay, agree or disagree type of question. And as I did with previous writing essays, I will do it paragraph by paragraph and sentence by sentence so you can see how I build and structure an opinion essay. So let's get straight into it and look at the question that we have. It says 40 minutes, 250 words. Students today can access all sorts of information for their studies online, so libraries are not necessary. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this view? So agree or disagree. I always take that, meaning you have to choose. Agree or disagree. Yes, it is possible to partly agree and partly disagree. It's actually quite difficult to structure that and write that in a clear way. So my opinion is choose one, agree or disagree, and then support one of those views. Supporting both views, agreeing and disagreeing, it comes across more as a discussion essay. If they want both views, they will tell you to discuss. But they don't. They want to know your view and they want to see you support your view, which should be one view. It's easier to write one or the other, not both. But let's have a look at this and see the introduction. From the introduction, can you see my view or my opinion? And it should be clear. So in the introduction, first thing, paraphrase the topic. Not just the words, but paraphrase so we know what the topic is for the essay, and the second sentence is going to be the opinion. What are you going to write about? You're going to write about your opinion. So that's what we want to see in the introduction, and we have there lots of information about a wide range of subjects available online. Some people think libraries are not required for students. It's also important, we do have to keep that for students element. It doesn't have to be everywhere, but it is about libraries being required for students. That's the topic, and then my opinion is very clear. I disagree with the view that libraries are not necessary for learners in modern society that has internet access. So we know what's coming next. I have to explain why. Why do you think that libraries are still necessary? Why do you disagree that they are not necessary? So they want to know why I think my opinion. They don't want to know the opposite of my opinion. I need to support my view. And that's what happens in paragraphs 2 and 3. So looking at paragraph 2, topic sentence, the first reason why I believe libraries are still relevant. So again, my opinion is in there. I believe libraries are relevant. It's an opinion essay. Your opinion should be clear throughout the essay, not just in the first paragraph. Your opinion needs to be strong. Quite a common mistake, and something that is marked down, is when examiners read an essay and the opinion's not clear. Almost the first question the examiner asks themselves, is the opinion clear? In a discussion essay, it won't be, because there should not be an opinion. But in an opinion essay, it needs to be clear throughout the essay, not just the first paragraph. And I give that first reason. They give more than just access to information. And then I explain, second sentence is an explanation. This means that libraries are a place to meet people as well as to access courses and lessons. So not just information, but courses and training and other things. Then example. So we have topic sentence or reason 1, explanation, example. An example of accessing other types of information. And then result. Topic sentence, explanation, example, result. A very common structure that I use. You can mix that up a little bit, but it's very clear what each sentence is doing. This means that. Okay, he's explaining something. For example, this results in, or the result of this. That is clear language, discourse markers to show what's coming next. That paragraph, 4 sentences, we can move on to paragraph 3. which will be a continuation of why I think libraries are still important, not the opposite. This is not a discussion. I also think libraries are important for students. What is that? Again, my opinion. We can see there, I disagree, I believe, I think. Strong opinion language at the beginning of the body paragraphs. And I give the reason why, as they provide access to information online and offline to students who may not have access. Okay, so not just giving information, but giving it to people who might really need it. And then most modern libraries have computers with Wi-Fi access free of charge. This is especially useful in poor areas. So it's not just about the information, it's about who can access information in a library. Again, the result, so this results in poorer students having access to information that can help with their studies and to get a job. So still referring to students, but the benefit they get from libraries. And in this case, the benefit poor students get from libraries. And I do add something here. So I kind of got to this paragraph. I was 3 sentences and I knew I need one more. This paragraph's not strong enough with just 3 sentences. I need something extra, so I've added another reason. And libraries bring communities together with information boards and community events. So just an extra reason why libraries are important or relevant. So you need to think about that when you're writing. You might think you finished the paragraph or you finished that idea, but maybe it's not long enough or it's not strong enough. In this case, I like to have 4 sentences. I needed something extra, so I added it there. And then our conclusion is simply going to summarize those reasons why I think libraries are still important. And you will notice it also includes another opinion statement. So I disagree, I believe, I think, and our conclusion also has one, I feel. So in conclusion, access to training courses and providing a place for students and community to meet are 2 reasons why libraries are necessary, why I feel that libraries are necessary. In addition, access to free internet and other resources are invaluable things that libraries provide. So, conclusion, repeating, paraphrasing, summarizing my reasons why libraries are, but not summarizing the topic. Some people think this. No, summarize your opinions, your ideas. My conclusion will be different to your conclusion because our ideas are different. Our reasons, our opinions are different. So again, that structure, paragraph by paragraph, sentences, adding a sentence when you realize there's not enough, especially in this case, it's an opinion essay. Be strong in your opinion. I think, I feel, I believe, I agree, or I disagree. That's opinion language, and it's clear throughout. Not once, not twice, every paragraph, okay, for an opinion essay. You wouldn't do that in a discussion essay. You wouldn't use that language in a problem solution essay, but for an opinion essay, you want it to be strong like this. And it's clear, especially paragraph 2 and 3, right at the beginning, the introduction and the conclusion, the opinion is still clear. So this meets the word count. It is almost 300 words, but it's above the 250 that's required. And it didn't take so much more than 300 that it's wasting time. Aim for that 250 to 300 word limit. So look at this, notice some of the language, notice the structure and the order of sentences. Practice doing your own task. There are a lot of agree or disagree style of questions, so it's easy to find one. Practice using a similar structure. Try to do within the time limits and within the word count limits. So thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions or requests about question types you want to see in the writing videos, please let me know below this video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm really looking for new subscribers. As I add videos every day, you will be updated about which videos that I've uploaded so you can learn from them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.